So I had problem number 1, which says, what is the area of the triangle formed by the lines x equals 6, y equals 5, and 7x plus 9y equals 63 in the xy plane? So first I started off with drawing my graph. So we have the line y equals 5 and x equals 6. And for the line 7x plus 9y equals 63, I put it into mx plus b form. So that equals y equals 7 minus 7 9 x. So that's our line right here. And the question wants the area of the triangle. So we want this area right here. So first I started off with finding some points. So for point A, it intersects with the lines y equals 7 minus 7 9 x and y equals 5. So I plugged 5 into the equation and solved for x. So I did 7x plus 9 times 5 equals 63, and that gives you that x is equal to 18 over 7. For point B, instead of it intersecting the line with y equals 5, it intersects x equals 6. So we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to plug 6 in for x and solve for y. So we get 7 times 6 plus 9y equals 63. And that gives you that y is equal to 21 over 9. So now that we've got our points, and point C is actually just going to be 6, 5 because it's the intersection between x equals 6 and y equals 5. So that was an easy one. So now that we have our points, we have to find the distance from A to C and the distance from B to C. So to find the distance from A to C, we subtract the x values. So we do 6 minus 18 over 7. And that is equal to 42 over 7 minus 18 over 7, which gives us 24 over 7. And to find the distance from B to C, you subtract the y values. So you do 5 minus 21 over 9, which equals 45 over 9 minus 21 over 9. And that gives you the answer of 24 over 9. So now that we have our distance from A to C and our distance from B to C, we can just solve for the area right now. So the area is equal to 1/2 base times the height. So that is going to be equal to 1/2 times 24 over 7 times 24 over 9. When you multiply that out, that gives you 576 over 126. And when you simplify, it equals 32 over 7, and that's your answer.